It all started out when I was a kid. My dad ordered a brand new 1972 Ford Torino Sport, and I kind of always loved that car. I really liked the 72 Torino because of the front end. I guess they call it the Coke bottle front end. As I got older, as you know we do, I'm searching on Craigslist, and I found one. Had it towed back down. As soon as I got it, I took it straight to the paint shop, had it repainted, deleted all the side chrome off of it, ordered a laser stripe, put that on, and as you see, the black with that red is phenomenal. I really think that sets the cars off and makes it a lot different than other Torinos out there. Next, I had to give some wheels, put the 18 on the front, 20s on the back, Riddler wheels, and then my suspension. I cut the springs. It really wasn't riding that good. I was bottoming out. So I had a friend tell me about Aldan American. I gave them a call and told me to bring the car over, which I did. And first thing he did, we popped the springs out, put the coilovers on, put the shocks in the back. He adjusted it, took it for a ride. First trip out, the car was phenomenal. It runs good. And now I got a 1968 Pontiac GTO that I need done. It's all original stock, but I'm coming to see Aldan American. It's a no-brainer.